In primetime news this evening, Hanover man who doused woman with gasoline and set her ablaze, now on the run. Where's the gun? Police intensify search for a gun which killed a toddler. And brace for increases. Jamaicans warned that prices will rise for most products.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, with just a month to go before the start of summer, how are you coping with the higher temperatures? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.